Hello, and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm Keanu.
And I'm Lovely. We are so happy you are here with us today. If you are new here, please remember to like and subscribe. It helps other learners find our friendly podcast.
That's right. And today we are talking about you. Yes, you. We will learn how to talk about your hobbies and interests. This is a perfect topic for beginners.
It is. Knowing how to talk about what you love to do is so important. It helps you make new friends. It helps you feel more confident. So, are you ready to start?
Let's go. First, let's listen to a short conversation. Two people, Anna and Ben, are meeting for the first time. Just listen. Don't worry if you don't understand every word.
Hi, I'm Anna. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Ben. Nice to meet you, too. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, I really enjoy reading. I love mystery books. How about you?
That's cool. I'm into sports. I play football every weekend.
That sounds like fun.
Okay, good job listening. That was a simple talk, right? Did you hear some important words? Keanu, let's talk about the first question Ben asked.
Yes, Ben asked, what do you like to do in your free time? This is a very common question. Free time is time when you are not working or studying. So, what do you like to do in your free time? Let's repeat that together. What do you like to do in your free time?
Perfect. Another way to ask the same question is, what are your hobbies? A hobby is an activity you do for fun. So, what are your hobbies? Let's say that. What are your hobbies?
Good. Now, how do we answer? Anna said, I really enjoy reading. I enjoy is a great phrase. You can say I enjoy plus your activity. For example, I enjoy cooking or I enjoy listening to music.
She also said, I love mystery books. I love is even stronger than I enjoy. It means you like it very, very much. You can say, I love dancing, or I love watching movies.
And Ben, he used a different phrase. He said, I'm into sports. I'm into is a very natural, friendly way to say you like something. I'm into photography, or I'm into video games. It's a great phrase to use with friends.
Let's practice these 3 ways to talk about your hobbies. Repeat after us. I enjoy painting. I love hiking. I'm into music.
Excellent! You are doing so well. Now, after you say your hobby, you can add a little more information. Like Anna said, I love mystery books. Or Ben said, I play football every weekend. This makes your sentence longer and more interesting.
Yes, let's listen to the conversation one more time. This time, try to hear these phrases. I enjoy, I love, and I'm into.
Hi, I'm Anna. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Ben. Nice to meet you, too. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, I really enjoy reading. I love mystery books. How about you?
That's cool. I'm into sports. I play football every weekend.
That sounds like fun.
Okay, you listened again. Great job. Did you hear the phrases that time? I enjoy reading. I love mystery books. I'm into sports.
And did you hear Anna's last words? She said, that sounds like fun. This is a very nice thing to say when someone tells you about their hobby. It shows you are listening and you think their hobby is interesting.
Yes, it's a friendly thing to say. That sounds like fun. Let's all say it. That sounds like fun.
Now, let's imagine you have a hobby. Maybe your hobby is learning English. How can you say that? You can say, I enjoy learning English, or I love listening to English podcasts.
That's a great hobby. You are improving already. So, let's do a quick recap. What did we learn today?
We learned how to ask about hobbies. You can say, what do you like to do in your free time? Or, what are your hobbies?
And we learned 3 ways to talk about what you like. Number 1, I enjoy, plus your activity. I enjoy swimming. Number 2, I love, plus your activity. I love cooking. Number 3, I'm into plus your activity. I'm into gardening.
And we learned a nice response. That sounds like fun.
So now think about your hobby. What do you enjoy? What are you into? Practice saying it right now. Say it to yourself. I enjoy. I love. I'm into.
Wonderful. Remember, the most important thing is to try. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every time you try, your English gets better.
Yes, we believe in you. Thank you for spending your time with us today. It means a lot to us.
We would love to hear from you. What are your hobbies? You can tell us in a comment. We read every one.
Until next time, keep practicing and remember, you are doing a great job. Goodbye.
Bye.